Jamie at shopmask.com, and welcome to another MASC Minute. If you're watching this relatively soon after it has been posted, then you will know that we are in the midst of the COVID-19 crisis. It's been a challenging week for everyone, I think, and I hope everyone is staying safe. If you're watching this in the future, hopefully it's a distant thing that is no longer happening. Anyway, as you can see, I'm in a new bathroom. I had to move unexpectedly this week as well, so it's been quite an unsettling week for me. But nevertheless, here I am about to do another video. Today I was going to show you 3 products from Brickell that are new. So they're called boosters. They come in these little bottles like this. They're kind of like serums, but they're a bit more higher concentration of fewer ingredients. So what they're intended to do is boost your existing moisturizer. So you can just mix them with your moisturizer, and they're going to add specific ingredients to it that provides different benefits. So the first one that I'll show you is the hyaluronic acid booster. So this one is it's a hydration booster, so it's going to really help to hydrate the skin. Hyaluronic acid is able to retain over 1,000 times its own weight in water. So it basically just drenches the skin with moisture, and that helps to sort of smooth out, make the skin look more plump and just younger as a result. The second one I'll show you is the Peptide Booster. So this is primarily a booster that's going to help to firm the skin. So peptides from proteins help to stimulate collagen production, which is going to help to make the skin look younger immediately, as well as provide benefits over the long term. And then last but not least, the vitamin C booster. I love vitamin C, it's a great antioxidant. This particular booster is really good at helping to correct pigmentation issues, just brighten the skin up, even out the skin tone. It also combats free radicals, so it's going to have an anti-aging component to it as well. So they're super light. I'll show you what one of them looks like. There you go. It's just like a gel. So yeah, it's really easy to mix them with your moisturizer. It's not like you're adding like a heavy layer or anything onto your skin. So you can just, you can mix it with your moisturizer, or you can just apply it to your skin all over the face first, and then apply moisturizer on top, whichever you prefer. It's going to get the same result at the end of the day. So if you're looking for a way to boost your existing moisturizer, this is a great option. Check them out, shopmask.com. And of course, if you're in Vancouver, come see them in the store. Thanks for listening.